Hi, dear students. Welcome back to our class. Are you all okay? Fine. In our last class, we learned the concept of equality of two triangles. Right? For two triangles to be equal, the condition to be satisfied. That was our last class topic. When do we call two triangles equal? If the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of the second triangle, the two triangles are equal. The point we learned is, if the three sides of a triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the angles opposite to these sides are also equal. These two triangles are equal triangles. Okay. The last condition we learned is the first condition for equality of two triangles. There are three conditions. There are three conditions for two triangles to be equal. Okay. There are three conditions. First condition is what we learned in the last class. Okay. What is the first condition? If the three sides of a triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then these two triangles are equal. This is the first condition. Okay. This condition is often referred as yes condition. Yes condition for equality. Yes condition. What is SSS? Yes for side. The three sides of a triangle equal to the three sides of another triangle. Then the two triangles are equal. This is the first condition for two triangles to be equal. In today's class, we are going to learn the second condition. The second condition for the equality of two triangles. Okay, let us see the condition in detail. Okay, listen. Suppose we have to draw a triangle. The measurements given are the length of two sides. We have to draw a triangle. What is given? The length of two sides and the angle between the two sides. Angle between the two sides are given. Suppose the length of sides 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter, and the angle between them is 40 degree. 40 degree. How can we draw this triangle? What are the different ways we can draw this triangle? 5 centimeter side. This side is 5 centimeter. We measure 40 degree angle here. 40 degree angle here, and mark the angle and draw the second side. This is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Okay. The triangle will look like this. This is 5 centimeter side. This is 7 centimeter side. This angle is 40 degree. This is one method. Okay. 5 centimeter side drawn here. The angle measured here, the measured angle 40 degree. This side is 7 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. The triangle. This is another method. This is two sides are 7 and 5. Angle between them is 40 degree. Okay. In another method, we can draw the 7 centimeter side here. The 40 degree angle can be measured here. This is 40 degree angle, and this is 5 centimeter side. Okay. Do it look like this? In another method, we can, this is 7 centimeter. The angle measurement is here. 40 degree measurement is here. This 40 degree angle, and this side is 5 centimeter. No. These are different ways. These are different ways we can draw this triangle. Which triangle? Two sides 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter and the angle between them 40 degree. This is one method. This is another method. Different ways are used here. Okay. In all these triangles, if we compare these triangles, we can see that the third side, this is the third side. Third side. Here, this is the third side. Third side. The length of the third sides are also equal. We can see that the third sides are equal. If we draw triangle in different ways, the third sides will be equal. Third sides will be equal means these four triangles are equal triangles. Equal triangles. What does this mean? This means that for two triangles to be equal, only the length of two sides and the angle between them need to be equal. Clear? For two triangles to be equal, only the length of two sides and the angle between them need to be equal. Okay? This condition is known as SAS condition. SAS condition. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Side, angle, side. Okay? അതായത് രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് ഈക്വൽ ആവാൻ ആ ട്രയാങ്കിൾസിന്റെ മൂന്ന് സൈഡ്സും ഈക്വൽ ആവണം എന്നില്ല. എങ്ങനെ ആയാലും മതി, അതാണ് മൂന്ന് സൈഡ്സും ഈക്വൽ ആവുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ആദ്യത്തെ കണ്ടീഷൻ. മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ? രണ്ടാമത്തെ കണ്ടീഷൻ നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത് ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിളിന്റെ രണ്ട് സൈഡ്സും ആ സൈഡ്സ് തമ്മിലുള്ള ആംഗിളും മറ്റൊരു ട്രയാങ്കിളിന്റെ രണ്ട് സൈഡ്സും അത് തമ്മിലുള്ള ആംഗിളും ഈക്വൽ ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഇതിന്റെ മൂന്നാമത്തെ സൈഡും എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും. അപ്പൊ ഈ രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഈക്വൽ ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് ആയിരിക്കും. അതാണ് നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ പറഞ്ഞത്. If the two sides of a triangle and the angle between them are equal to the two sides of another triangle and the angle between them, then there are three points. The third sides are also equal. The other two angles, these two angles are equal to these two angles. Other two angles are equal, and third one, the two triangles are equal triangles. If the two sides of a triangle and the angle between them are equal to the two sides of another triangle and the angle between them, then the third sides are equal, the other two angles are also equal, and the two triangles are equal triangles. This is the second point. Okay, this condition is known as SAS condition for equality. For two triangles to be equal, side angle side condition, equality of triangle. Okay, side angle SAS condition. First condition was yes condition. What was SSS condition? The three sides should be equal to the three sides of another triangle. Then the triangles will be equal. Here, two sides and angle between them are equal to the two sides and the angle between them of another triangle. Then the two triangles will be equal. This condition is known as SAS condition. This condition is known as SAS condition. Clear? We will go to examples. Okay. So we learned two conditions for the equality. First condition, SSS condition. The second condition we learned today. What was that? SAS condition. What was SAS condition? If the two sides of a triangle and the angle between them are equal to the two sides of another triangle and the angle between them, then these two triangles will be equal. Okay. Let us discuss a problem. Okay. You read the problem. Here, look here. There are two triangles here. triangle ABC and triangle PQR. ABC and triangle PQR. The question is, are these two triangles equal? Why? Are these two triangles equal? Why? You say, are these triangles equal? Equal. Okay? Equal. Why? Why? Here 6 centimeter side, length of side is 6 centimeter. Here this side is 5 centimeter long, this side also is 5 centimeter long. The angle between them, between the two sides is 50 degree, and here also it is 50 degree. Therefore, these two triangles are equal. How will you write the answer in the answer sheet? Or how will you write the answer clearly? Why? Why? Look here. Consider triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay. The side here AC is equal to the side here equal PR. AC is equal to PR, that is equal to 6 centimeter. The triangle ABC has a side AC with 6 centimeter length, and triangle PQR also has a side PR with length 6 centimeter. Okay. We write here AC is equal to PR is equal to 6 centimeter. One side is equal. The second side AB of triangle ABC is equal to PQ of triangle PQR. That is equal to 5 centimeter. That is equal to 5 centimeter. Two sides are equal. The angle between them here the angle is angle A. In triangle ABC, the angle is A is equal to, in triangle PQR, the angle is P. Angle A is equal to angle P is equal to, that is 50 degree. Okay. Then we write here the two sides of triangle ABC and the angle between them are equal to the two sides of triangle PQR and the angle between them. Once again, the two sides of triangle ABC, and the angle between them are equal to the two sides of triangle PQR and the angle between them. Okay. Therefore, the two triangles ABC and PQR are equal by SAS condition. Okay. ഈ ABC എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ട്രയാങ്കിളിന്റെ രണ്ട് സൈഡുകളും ആ രണ്ട് സൈഡുകൾ തമ്മിലുണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ആംഗിളും PQR എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഈ ട്രയാങ്കിളിന്റെ രണ്ട് സൈഡ്സും അത് തമ്മിലുണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ആംഗിളിനും ഈക്വൽ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിൾസും എന്താണ്? ഈക്വൽ ട്രയാങ്കിൾസ് ആണ്. അതാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ എഴുതേണ്ടത്. ആ സെന്റൻസ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ എഴുതും. അത് എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് ഈക്വൽ ആണോ വൈ എന്നുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ എന്തായി? ആൻസർ ആയി. ഓക്കെ. ലെറ്റ് us see another example. Listen, what was the problem? The line AB, another line CD, another line CD. This point is O. This point is O. Given that this point O is the midpoint of AB and CD. O is the midpoint of AB and O is also the midpoint of CD. Okay. Now join BD and join AC. You got two triangles, triangle AOC and triangle BOD. We have to prove that these two triangles are equal. Okay, we have to prove that triangle AOC and triangle BOD are equal. Okay, how will you prove? Listen, O is the midpoint of AB. O is the midpoint of AB. So, AO is equal to BO, right? AO is equal to BO, right? Why? O is the midpoint. O is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, this is equal to this line. AO is equal to BO. Bracket, we can write O is the midpoint of AB. Similarly, OC is equal to OC. OC is equal to OD. Right? OC is equal to OD. Why? Why? O is the midpoint of CD also. Okay? Therefore, OC is equal to OD. Two sides are equal. Here also the two sides are equal. And the angle between these two sides, this side is equal to this side. This side of triangle is equal to this side of this triangle. Okay? This side of triangle AOC is equal to this side of triangle BOD. Okay? This angle is equal to this angle. These two angles are equal. Are these two angles equal? Equal? Yes. In the last class, in the first class, I taught you the opposite angles. When two lines cross each other, these two angles are vertically opposite angles, and these two angles are two vertically opposite angles. The opposite angles are equal. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle. Angle AOC. AOC is equal to angle BOD. BOD. Why? Why? Opposite angles. Okay? Two sides of this triangle and the angle between them are equal to two sides of this triangle and the angle between them. Okay? Therefore, these two triangles are equal. Two sides of triangle AOC and the angle between them are equal to the two sides of angle BOD and the angle between them. Therefore, triangle AOC and triangle BOD are equal triangles. Okay? Therefore, this side will be equal to this side. These two triangles are equal. If two triangles are equal, the three sides will be equal. Therefore, the third sides are equal, and this angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. This we will learn later. Okay? So, what we learned today is the second condition for the equality of two triangles. What was that? If the two sides of a triangle and the angle between them are equal to the two sides of another triangle and the angle between them, then the third sides are equal. Second one, the other two angles are equal, and the third one, the two triangles are equal triangles. Okay? ഇനി നിങ്ങൾ ഈ നോട്ട് തന്നിട്ടുള്ള നോട്ട് തരും. ആ നോട്ട് എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? നിങ്ങളുടെ നോട്ട് ബുക്കിലേക്ക് എഴുതിയെടുക്കുക. ആ നോട്ട് വായിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അതിൽ കാണാം. അത് നല്ലപോലെ വായിച്ച് ഞാൻ ഈ പറഞ്ഞ വീഡിയോ വീണ്ടും എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? ഒന്നുകൂടി കേട്ട് ഈ കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? നല്ലപോലെ മനസ്സിലാക്കുക. ഓക്കെ? താങ്ക് യു.